Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 and an admin account are ready because installation needs permissions. Once done, decide where to get paint. Net Microsoft Store is easiest for automatic updates. The official site gives installer control. Now open the store or browser, search for Paint. Net, and click Download or Get. You're starting the process immediately. Don't pause to tweak settings yet. Keep an eye on download progress and prepare to run the installer when it finishes. You run the installer next, and you must do it as administrator so files install correctly. Follow the prompts, accept the license, pick language, and choose your install folder if you want non-default placement. If an option for plugins or additional tools appears, enable only what you need. You can add more later, if the installer asks to install the Microsoft. NET runtime, allow it Paint. Net relies on that. Make sure to restart the PC if the installer requests it, then launch Paint. Net to finish initial setup. You're at the final steps. Open Paint. Net, let it initialize and set file associations so double-click opens images in the app. Once running, go to Help or Settings to check for updates and install any plugins you need through the Effects or Package Manager. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip: repair or reinstall the Microsoft. NET runtime and then run Paint. Net as administrator. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Paint. Net to restore missing files and reset configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.